Welcome back to QuizBox. Are you ready to challenge your brain and beat the clock? Let's jump in. Guess the country from just two emojis. Flag quiz. It's Japan! You guessed it, Turkey. That was Chile. Pan plus ma equals Panama. Say hello to Denmark. The answer is Finland. You got it, Iceland. It's Thailand. That was Greenland. Switzerland. It's the Royal England. The Emerald Isle, Ireland. That one was Scotland. Pole plus land gives you Poland. A tricky one, Netherlands. But that was New Zealand. South plus Africa equals South Africa. North Korea. Costa Rica, coffee and paradise. It's El Salvador. You just saw Guinea-Bissau. Saudi Arabia, oil and tradition. That's the United Kingdom. United States of America. That was New Caledonia. Dominican Republic. Czech Republic. Papua New Guinea. North Macedonia. Trinidad and Tobago.